So today we're going to do a whole chicken cooked on the stove top. No need for an oven with this method. And to boot, we're going to make this beautiful gravy just there. It's delicious, it's juicy, it's succulent. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So first up, let's have a look at our chicken. So I've got a whole chicken there, skin on, bone in. What I've done is I've spatchcocked it or butterflied it, which means I've cut about 2 fingers of the backbone out so it opens out. Let me just tip it over and you can see. So just take that out and then it spreads open beautifully. Now this is a 1 kg chicken, which is about 2.2 pounds. What we're going to do is we're going to get some seasoning onto that. So I've put that chicken into a mixing bowl, as you can see, and I've got a glove on, nice sexy glove on, because we're going to get in there with our hands. First, let's get some salt. Let's get some black pepper. And be generous with both. Then I've got 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and 1 teaspoon of chili. Now, they're the spices that I'm using. Go for whatever ones you want. You can do whatever you like. I've got a tablespoon here of garlic chopped. And then we're going to just drop in some olive oil. That's going to just bring it all together. And then I'm going to go in with my hand, give that a good mix, and then we're ready for the cooker. So you're going to need a wok, a large pan or a skillet or something like that. The heat is on, but it's on below medium. You don't want it too high because you're just going to burn the life out of it on the outside and it'll be raw in the middle. So we're going to take our chicken, we're going to drop it down, and it goes. And then I'm just going to drop in any of that extra mixture we've got there. And like I say, these are the spices that I've gone with, but you don't have to do that at all. You can change that to whatever you want. So below medium for this size chicken, we're going to cook this for about 20 minutes, maybe a little bit more, and I'm going to be flipping it every 4 or 5 minutes. Really simple. Okay, so that's beautiful. Really looks fantastic, I think. So low and slow, you know, don't burn the outside, otherwise it'll be just raw in the middle. Okay, next step, what we're going to do, and by the way, I turned that maybe 4, 5, 6 times. What we're going to do next is I'm going to add some chicken stock to this. Might be a bit noisy, but here we go. So I've got about a pint there of chicken stock. Stay on this heat. That chicken stock's now going to reduce down. It's also going to pump loads of moisture into that chicken so it's nice and juicy and delicious. It's going to go for about another 10 or 15 minutes or so. Okay, that's beautiful. So let's turn off the heat. Now what we've done there is we've pumped loads of moisture into that chicken. It's going to be really beautiful. Now next step, we're going to take the chicken out and set it aside. Then with the water and the stock that we have in there, I'm just going to sieve it through, because as you can see, there's those little bits of burnt garlic in there, which are actually really nice, but I don't want them for the next step because we're going to make a really nice simple gravy. So I've not cleaned the pan, I've just sieved out the stock that we had. In it goes. And to that, I've got a little slurry here of cornstarch or corn flour, which is the same thing, by the way, with a little bit of water. So that's just like half a tablespoon with a little bit of water, and we're just going to run the heat through it. I'm on a little medium heat here, and as you can see straight away it's thickening up, and we've got ourselves an instant beautiful gravy. Be ready in about another 90 seconds. And there you go. So just poured that beautiful gravy over the top. Delicious, super juicy, super tender, stove top whole chicken. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.